What's up, B&N squad?
We did the other one and
Today, we got another one for y'all.
Same day, new video.
Yeah,
Right.
for my family.
We got
pop challenge.
the
Yeah.
soda challenge
Don't
See
burp.
who can drink the most pop
without burping.
without burping.
Mom,
Now y'all know whether it's regular ginger ale or Verner's ginger ale strong. So
Yep. And I seen this off of Let's Eat by Nadira. So I got this from her.
Thank you.
So we're going to try this. And I don't know how it's going to work out. But I'm going to tag my same people, Thick and Meaty, and Tuck and Neve. I will have their description below. So I just got London a little pop because I don't give him pop anyways.
Ooh.
So
I'm
y'all ready?
I can't.
Y'all comment down below who y'all think gonna
I
win.
can't even do it. Yours gonna blow. This gonna blow.
He gonna need a paper towel because his is spilling because he shook it up.
shake it in, it's froze. Froze probably does that too.
Y'all, I don't know. I don't
Ooh,
know,
it's about
y'all.
to blow, y'all. Be careful. I can't even
Yeah,
burp.
about to blow.
Yes, it
No,
is.
it's not.
Okay, so
Stop squeezing.
no, you can't drink it yet. Give me that. Put it right there. All right. You can't burp, okay? Let's see. And you know Verner's, that's like
get my
drinking.
last burp out from that lemon.
I said you cannot do it yet. You be cheating.
Yeah, I'm cheating. I want some juice.
Definitely the cheater of everything. And always tell us we the ones cheating.
Okay, y'all.
This time.
Ready, set, go.
Don't burp.
Mm.
Don't burp.
Y'all.
You taking baby sips.
Yeah. You burp, line. Keep going.
Nigga fool.
What was that? This is so hard. Hey, y'all see who won this thing? Y'all know how long
She only won, y'all.
Burners is
Because
strong.
I am full. And I felt it like my first few sips. This just making my stomach hurt the more I held it down, so I had to let it up.
Wow.
If I wasn't full, this would be a go.
Burp, burp, burp.
I thought the pot would at least made room in my stomach. That's just made me fuller.
Ooh.
Let it up, baby.
No, stop.
Catch your back like the little babies.
Y'all could have still kept going.
Don't burp. Who the champion?
I'd be forcing it.
No, that's not a burp.
That's making my stomach hurt. Holding this burp back.
That's what I was doing, man. It do make your stomach hurt.
Y'all.
We got.
Dang.
Woo!
That's-
That was a lot of holes. He's cracking up.
What you laughing at? I'm gonna try to do
Come
some more,
on,
y'all.
we gotta do this. It's only me and boys.
Mommy had a big old bird.
Woo! Tell me who winning, y'all.
I'm too full.
You got duty.
He cracking up, man. Let me see how much more I can do.
Too hard. That's it for me, y'all. I ate so much chicken and fries. I think the fries would got me filled for real.
No. And,
You got duty.
I can't do no more.
It's only.
No, I could do more, but I don't want to drink all this pop. You want me to do one more? One more for the gang? Say gang gang down in the comment section.
No, y'all gotta drink all of it.
No, you don't gotta drink all
Yes,
of it.
you do.
You just can't burp.
No, you not supposed
And we already
to burp. You burp, I burp, Mommy burp.
What about me?
You the first one. All right, one more for the gang, okay? One more for y'all.
Drink. No bourbon.
Look at how much I drank, y'all.
I ain't even drinking and I still feel another one coming up.
Look, y'all.
All right.
You drunk a lot too.
We want to thank y'all for watching. Comment down below. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another little video because we're going to be dropping bangers back to back. Because I won't be doing that many live streams. Too many restrictions, so I'm going to just drop them banging videos. If it take me a long time to get my watch time, then so be it. But I'm dropping bangers back to back. Thank y'all for coming. Come back again.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit
So they
that
what?
Bell.
Subscribe to the video.
Don't what?
Video.
Yo!
All right. See y'all later. Peace.